Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.
Well, mine is a very simple one. So, sincerely thank all the start with the family, recognizing the family, then recognizing all those that I take excellency going to be represented. And for us, what we're doing today, in honor of a hero, a man who sacrificed his life for his country, a man who lived for other people. All we can do today is what I've told people all of my way here is reflect and examine our lives as Nigerians and ask ourselves questions. For what he sacrificed for, where are we today? For all he wanted to do for Nigeria, where are we today? I think he was the first person that made me to vote in Nigeria. Because I believe in what he was saying. You know, it was practical. He was saying something that is you could see, you could feel. But in Nigeria, I didn't mention this morning, we are the best. It's always, we don't end up with the best, we end up with the least in us. So we're just here in remembrance and using this occasion to call all of us who are still practitioners in politics of Nigeria to recommit ourselves to building the ideals which our great father stood for and died for. Finally, to all of us, into so many churches today, and I've always asked them, being a Sunday, please continue to pray for Nigeria. Continue to pray for Nigeria. Let your prayer points be, may God touch the hearts of all of us, including myself, who are politicians, to use public money for public good. May God bless all of you. Thank you.
Many of you saw yourselves featured on just this little video that I did to demonstrate to my children that June 12th struggle, yes, was about their great-grandfather, but my goodness, the way people from all corners of this country and everywhere in between stood by him, north, south, east, west, military, civilian, Muslim, Christian. I wanted to show the children what Nigeria truly is. People say all kinds of pejoratives and refer to other countries as saner crimes, talk about how we lack honor, but that episode in history shows that that is false. We are a great country, we have great people. And now I think of the future, which is represented by this gentleman to my right here. One of our presidential candidates of the next democratic election that we will be having in 2023. And thank God, and thank all of you who are here and some of us who are not, for the fact that we are able to have elections. We of all people cannot take that privilege for granted. There was a time in this country when it was impossible. There was a time in this country where even your social media posts, you dare not criticize, much less abuse, the way people do today. Political figures, you will just disappear. One of the gentlemen in that video that I made for my children, James Bagada Calto, where is his body? We went through hell in this country, and we have come out of it. We will continue to progress. Thomas Jefferson said, The tree of liberty was refreshed from time to time with the blood of tyrants and patriots. No more blood will be shed in this country. For liberty has been won. It will never be lost. As for Daddy, the quote on the poster over there is from Homer's epic poem, The Iliad, and those words were spoken by character Hector, the prince of Troy, son of King Priam. He said, "Let me then not die ingloriously without a struggle, but let me do something that will be told by men thereafter. Daddy, you did that." Thank you all. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you very much. Now we take Lekon Abiola, the son of FQ Abiola. Lekon Abiola.
Thank you very much for coming. We ask Allah to help us here. Father, Allah your Sinayat, Allah your Kudurat, ask Allah to guide us to be protect us. Ask Allah to help guide the nation, the election next year.
The audio is bad. Audio is bad. Microphone, under microphone. There's no.
To give us the best leadership at all levels, presidential, gubernatorial, for the local government. We ask God to give us the best of senators and the best of House of Representatives. We want a peaceful, free and fair election. All of them came forth for.
Give them now. You can't use this.
Yes, sir. Everybody for coming, the press, the media, thank you for coming. All the well-wishers for the Abiola family, we thank you all for coming. May God take you back all of you safely by the grace of God. And may Allah forgive and bless all of us, inshallah.
Thank you.
Government of Lagos State, Mr. Jaji, thank you for coming. Thank you. And we hope to be next year because the deputy government comes. And we hope that next year the government will start to come. Thank you very much for coming. And I really appreciate the presence. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Can we proceed inside so that we can round up this event? Please, can we go?
Africa Media Live TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updated on the trending gist, latest news all over the world. Like our page, subscribe, and share with friends. Thank you.